Peace, y'all. So I just wanted to come on here real quick and just highlight one of the best sellers in the shop, which is the Criss Cross lock jewelry set. Right, so you can choose to get this as a set. It has 3 different styles, or you can choose to get one piece. You can also purchase them in 14 karat gold if you want to really add some luxury to your locks. But these are the favorites. Like, everybody gets these pieces. I've been having them on the shop since 2021, and they started off with like some little gemstones in them. But they have since transformed to just a basic gold. And I also have black, and I have them in rose gold too. So y'all remember that the shop is still 50% off. We are celebrating, baby. We celebrating 2,000 sales on Etsy. When I first started my Etsy shop, I remember looking at other people's Etsy shops and seeing people that had 2,000, and that number just stuck with me in my head. Like, dang. It felt like such a monumental number, but I felt like once I reached 2,000 sales, that I would have hit I just felt like I was hitting a certain point on my mountain. So I've always been looking forward to 2,000 sales, and I finally made it. I've at this point shot over 2,000 sales due to the sale. Like, y'all got me up there quickly, so I'm grateful. The sale has been doing amazing, and it's still on, y'all. We still celebrating. I'm still super grateful for all the growth and the changes that have happened with the shop since I opened it. And yeah, I just want to continue to show appreciation. I want to have a giveaway for y'all very soon as I'm building new following, as I am putting out more content. I want to create some more ways to show appreciation. So just don't forget, click the link in my bio. If you're on TikTok, you're going to have to go to my Instagram, because TikTok won't let me put a link in my bio yet. So my Instagram is linked. You can go to my Instagram, and then the bio to my Etsy shop is there. Or you can just go to Etsy and type in the Black Essence shop, and all of my pieces will be on there. That's simple. My website isn't up right now. I'm trying to grow my Etsy and focus on that platform for now, and then later on I will open my website back up, because I have some new and improved ideas coming to y'all soon that I don't need my website for. But yeah, Criss Cross lock jewelry set, y'all. Tap in. Peace.